Hey guys, my name is Nagashekar and you are watching me on Techma Hire. So in this video, we're going to talk about what is full stack development. So if you are developing a website and if you are manager to do front-end work, back-end work, and if you are manager to do a database related thing, then you are considered to be a full stack developer. Before going into the roadmap, if you are watching our channel for the first time, please do subscribe to our channel and click bell icon for instant notifications, and please do follow us on Instagram and Telegram. Links are provided in the description. Without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Now let us talk about roadmap for becoming a full stack developer. So as I was mentioned earlier, you need to have good knowledge in front-end technologies, back-end technologies, as well as database. So now let us talk about the most popular 2021 front-end technologies. We had HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and jQuery. So what is HTML? We all know HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is used for structuring the web pages. And also the CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it is used for styling the web pages. So JavaScript, it is used for performing the client-side validations, and JavaScript is becoming more popular nowadays, and it is having a good set of frameworks like Vue, React, Angular, and Next. So in addition to all of this, you need to have good knowledge in Bootstrap. Now let's talk about backend technologies. So in backend, we use several programming languages like Java, PHP, Python, Go, C#, JavaScript, etc. But we cannot use the programming languages directly for developing a complex website. For each and every programming language, we had a different set of frameworks. Now let's talk about programming language and its frameworks used in IT industry. If you take JavaScript, we had Node.js as an backend framework. If you take Java, we had Spring Boot, and Hibernate. If you take Python, we had Django, Flask, and Pyramid. If you take PHP, we had Laravel and Symfony. And if you take C#, we had .NET as the framework. So in addition to all these frameworks, you need to know about REST API. Now let's talk about databases. The databases are broadly classified into two types. One is SQL databases and second one is NoSQL databases. There are few SQL databases like Oracle, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MySQL. So you need to know at least two of SQL databases, and the popular NoSQL database is MongoDB. So if you want to become a full stack developer, you need to know at least one SQL database and one NoSQL database. In addition to these databases, irrespective of job role, whether it is a full stack developer or MLOps or anything, you need to know about repositories like GitHub, where you used to manage the repositories and file system. And also you need to know about the software development lifecycle like in specific Agile process. To give you a brief summary, if you want to become a full stack developer, then you need to learn some front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and one JavaScript framework, whether it can be Vue.js, React, or Angular. And you need to learn one backend framework like JavaScript framework, Python's framework, PHP's framework, .NET, or you can learn a JavaScript framework which is Node.js, and you need to know REST API. And you need to know one NoSQL DB and one SQL DB, and also you need to know how to manage repositories, and you need to know Agile process. And I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any doubts regarding this full stack developer, you can comment us, so we will be very happy to reply. Thanks for watching.